everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel Bumble subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, let's say you have got this, like premium, this a premium package here in this Bumble. You have subscribed to this and now you want to turn it off or cancel it. What you gotta do, you first gotta access your Play Store app in your mobile phone, and now you're gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner, and now go to this option called payments and subscriptions, and now tap on this option called subscription given over here, and now it's gonna show you the subscription for all of your apps, including the Bumble subscription right over here. Then you're gonna go ahead, tap on that Bumble subscription right there in that option, and you're gonna go ahead, tap on this cancel button that will be given below. One thing for you to make sure, as in make sure to cancel your membership or your subscription once you have completed using it. Let's say if it was a subscription for a month or 2 months, you have completed the month, then you can go ahead, do it. Otherwise it will be kind of waste of your money, so do that and then you will be done. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I will be seeing you guys in our next video.